yeah, it looks gorgeous from behind. Interior looks great, clean, neat. Hello everyone, welcome back to Market Ground Zero, where you can sell anything, buy anything, and find everything virtually. So the market is open and trading starts right now. On offer, we have these two beautiful, interesting looking, gorgeous, imposing Toyota Highlander vehicles. Comes in two colors, the same engine size V6, the same specification, limited edition. They come in two colors, blue and black. You can see the paint, the bodywork, everything looks good, shiny, intact. Apparently looks like it's first coat, first original body paint work, still intact. And that's the engine. Engine looks great, looks good, dry, looks very absolutely dry. So you can tell this guy has functioned properly, has worked well, never been overused. This is a professionally certified used vehicle. It's going to give you absolute peace of mind. If you're looking for a Toyota Highlander, this is what you should be looking at. This is priced at 6 million. Both are priced at 6 million naira. 6 million naira. So it's a choice you need to make in terms of color. What would you like, blue or black? Same size of engine, V6, limited edition. Absolutely looking spacious, great interior, functionality intact. There you go again. The blue one, headlamps looking great, bright, shiny, tail lights all intact, exhaust looks gorgeous from behind. Ooh, yeah, it looks gorgeous from behind. Interior looks great, clean, neat. This has a body, has a seat cover. Well, you can leave it, you can change it. And there you go again. And this is the black. Black looks good, looks shiny. So the reflection tells you that the paintwork is great. Right, there you go. There you go. 6 million naira going. 6 million naira on offer. 6 million naira, Ikeja, Lagos. If you need this vehicle, any of these vehicles or both of them, yeah, send an email to the address right down the description box down below, and or send a message, leave us a message, and then we'll get back to you. Next, we have this Underwood typewriter. It's a manual typewriter. So if you're still stuck in the age of manual typing, if you're still stuck in the age of manual typing, or you need it for anything, it really doesn't have to be work, right? It could be as a prop, maybe for a movie or something, or you need a typewriter. This is an absolute working condition. It's great looking, it is clean, it is functional, and it comes in its original carry case. It's pre-owned, foreign used, almost never used here in Nigeria. Look at it. It looks absolutely delightful. Clean keys, almost dust free. Yeah, that's it. It's an Underwood typewriter. It's a manual one. Absolutely looking very good and functional. You can have a go at it if you want it. It's pre-owned, as I've said, hardly ever used. Location for this is Lagos Island. Price 50,000 naira. On or very near offer. It's negotiable. 50,000 naira asking. Next is this portable fold-up, functional and durable luggage cart with wheels. Ideal accompaniment for suitcases, briefcases, and shopping. This thing is extendable and expandable for more and more and more luggage, with a strong bungee cord to hold everything in place. This is good. It is strong. Now, this card has been meticulously used in the past and remains in clean and functioning condition. It is absolutely sturdy. It is strong. Looking at it, you can tell it is strong and it can take a lot of pressure, a lot of weight. The wheels are strong, they roll well, and you can be sure this will serve you. So this will take your suitcases, it will take your briefcases. If you're like a lawyer, you have all those big cases, yeah, it will take it absolutely well. And of course, for your shopping, imagine strutting down the airport in this absolutely gorgeous, functional, portable fold-up luggage cart. Location for this is Ikeja as well. If you want it, send us a message, leave a message in the comment section, or send an email to the email address in the description box down below. Cost for this is 50,000 naira. 50,000 naira. Right, there you have it again for this episode. Thank you for the privilege of your company. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to click on the notification bell so you can get alerted when we have a new set of offers, and so you can have the right of first refusal. Right, if you want to sell, advertise, or purchase any of our advertised items and services, please check the description for our contact details. There's an email address there. Please send an email or leave a message in the comment section. I will respond to all the comments and then we'll get right back. Thank you for the privilege of your company. See you next time. Goodbye.